We're standing outside this property here. We're in a really good neighborhood inside Hamilton Mountain, and my client purchased this property as a single family residence. Talk about the numbers, what the property cost, what the renovations were, how we converted it from a single family to a 3-unit. We will eventually get a 4th unit in here. I'm gonna take you guys through a walkthrough on this property. This is the kitchen area. This is the laundry area. This is the washroom. This is bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2. This is the living room. And now I'm going into the basement. This is the kitchen area. Future kitchen is how you'd word it. The living room. Egress window, E-A-G-R-E-S-S. Future washroom. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. You're gonna say future kitchen, living room, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, future washroom.